The content marketing strategy of Wondershare Company is very smart and worth replicating. It sells a video editing software named as Filmora. Interestingly, Wondershare website also offers helpful learning tutorials and how-to articles about their competitors in the market, such as Movavi and Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, Wondershare website has around 400 articles about CyberLink Power Director video editing software, 700 tutorial pages on Movavi, and over 4,000 articles about Adobe Premiere Pro video editor. So, why Wondershare has produced such a huge content about its own competitors? Let's understand it with an example. If I search the query, "How to cut videos in Movavi Video Editor 2023", the search engine returns the top result on SERP, not from Movavi website, but from Wondershare website. The nature of query reflects that the searcher has just started learning the Movavi video editor. It is great probability that the user might have just downloaded the trial-free version of Movavi to test it. So, after clicking the link, the user landed on the Wondershare website. Wondershare has not missed the golden opportunity. After just describing the method of cutting video in Movavi, Wondershare started recommending its own product, Filmora, to the user. So, here is a bright chance that the user may purchase Filmora instead of Movavi. I hope, through this example, you understood the power of content marketing.